Hi, I'm Bruce Guimaraes, Vice President and Site Head at Piramal's Riverview, Michigan facility. Our site is a global leader in drug substance development and manufacturing, drawing on over 60 years of specialized experience to provide comprehensive services for APIs and HPAPIs. From early stage development through commercial scale manufacturing, our team of seasoned technical experts is equipped to support your program at every step of the journey. We're also proud to serve as Piramal's Center of Excellence for dedicated payload-linker development and manufacturing, offering an extensive range of services to optimize client systems. This makes Riverview a core component of the ADCelerate program, enabling our partners to bring life-saving bioconjugates to patients in need faster. Because everything we do at Piramal Pharma Solutions is to reduce the burden of disease. As Vice President and Site Head, I oversee all API development and manufacturing operations. This includes everything from P&L ownership and regulatory compliance to client engagement and commercial readiness. I focus on strategic alignment across functions, equipping our team with the resources, direction, and the support they need to deliver exceptional results for our clients and their patients. I bring more than 2 decades of advanced experience in API development, scale-up, and commercial manufacturing operations to this role. Before taking on my current position, I served as Piramal's Regional Associate Director of Sales and Operations Planning for the North American API business. This gave me a deep understanding of Piramal's future-focused business strategy and our onshore drug substance operations and capabilities. Prior to joining Piramal, I held operations and L&D leadership positions at Johnson Matthey Incorporated Health Sector for over a decade. Prior to joining the industry, I served as a junior non-commissioned officer in the Army Reserve Signal Corps. There, I developed my approach to strategy, operational discipline, and team leadership in complex and evolving environments. Under my leadership, Riverview has greatly increased site sales and achieved a best-in-class 90% schedule adherence through sustained transformation in culture and performance. I have successfully led the site through an FDA audit, maintaining compliance across our complex DEA-licensed manufacturing environment, and through integrated strategic planning and a focus on collaborative partnerships, I've driven meaningful improvements in both our NPS and CSI scores, underscoring my commitment to customer centricity. I've had the privilege of overseeing the expansion of our HPAPI and payload-linker capabilities, adding state-of-the-art payload-linker manufacturing with commercial scale capacity. This expansion advances our 2030 strategic vision and further positions Riverview to support the most complex and critical programs in the industry. Our facility is backed by an impeccable regulatory record with agencies like the US FDA and PMDA Japan, giving our partners the confidence they need to move forward. Whether you're in early development or ready to scale, Riverview is the partner built to carry your program to success. But don't just take my word for it, let's connect. Meet with me in person or schedule a virtual consultation to learn how Riverview can support your next program. Thank you.